Are you new to Procreate? Then you need to stay tuned. I'm Christy Darty. I teach lettering and doodling on the iPad, and I can't wait to show you some tips and tricks to get started. And I want to show you today how to use the color palette by taking a photo. It is so cool. The first thing we're going to do is find something to take a photo of. And I love these colors, so I'm going to go ahead and choose this. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your color palette or to your color circle. What do you call that thing? And then you go down to the bottom and you go over to palettes. Color wheel, color wheel, color wheel, color wheel. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to go to the plus sign, and then we're going to choose new from camera. This is the best, okay? Now we're going to lift up our camera, and we've got our camera in sight. To get our color palette, we've got to have our item right in place. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Okay, now I'm going to move it over just a little so you can watch me. I'm going to take a picture. This is awkward. There we go, ready? See the button right here? I'm going to click it. And now I've got my color palette. Isn't that so fun? Super, super easy. Now, what's really cool about that is it's got the little blue check there. And so when I go to disc, it's right here, handy as a pocket on a shirt. So if I want to draw something, I can just take that and drop color in, pick one of my favorites, and there you have it. Super cute, right? Let's do a couple more. I was still using the other color. Okay, let's use that pink color and drop in another color. Okay, let's try another one. I found something else that I love the colors of. Isn't this pretty? Okay, same thing. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the color wheel. Okay, right here. And then we're going to go down and slide over to palettes. Click on palettes. And then there's a plus sign right here. Click on the plus sign and new from camera. All right, so I've got to fold my case over so I can find my camera and my fingers on my camera. So here we go. All right, this is so pretty. And you strategically, do I want the red in it? Maybe. Okay, hold it up. Strategically get it where you want it. Oh my gosh, those colors are so pretty. That's the red. I really like the blues mostly. Okay, now I'm going to use my thumb and take a picture. Those colors are gorgeous. All right. I just love that there's a check mark there so I can hit disc and I know that it's going to be handy. So I've already made a heart here. I'm going to pick a color to drop it in. I'm going to make another heart. Drag and drop. By the way, do you ever have troubles dropping color in? Because I'm going to teach you. I'm going to show you a video on that. And then let's do this kind of army green. There we go. Beautiful colors. I love it. This would be a really pretty color palette. Okay, while we're here, let's go ahead and make another palette, but let's do it out of a photo that we've already taken before, okay? So we're going to go back to palettes. We're going to hit the plus sign again. Now, when I hit the plus sign, we're going to do new from photos. This is already that's in my photo library, so I'm going to click on that. Find some photos that I like. This is something that I created. So I've got a new color palette there. Let's do another one. New from photos. Okay, so you see, see how bright the green and the pink. Let's click that one and see what happens. Ooh, that's a pretty color palette. What if you want to name your color palette? Perfect. So just for example, I'm going to name this one Easter just because it has like Easter colors. Okay, so it's labeled Easter. Say this one I want to label, what should I label that? I mean, it's pretty obvious that it's blues and greens. How about St. Patrick's? And again, this is just for my benefit, but isn't that cool? So you can label them. And remember this one, the check mark is the one that's going to be it's called disc. And again, that's my favorite. So easy, easy peasy. Oh, look, color drop. I'm going to teach you that next. How about that? That's frustrating. And if you find yourself wanting to learn more about how to use the iPad with Procreate, I have a membership group that I'd love to invite you to. It's open a couple times a year, and I'll give you the link so you can find out more about it. Make sure you like and subscribe my video, so you can see more of me.